Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Lenovo Tab M8 3rd generation to an Android device. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both. Now click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Select I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Finally, click on Send at the bottom left corner of your tablet and Receive at the bottom next to Send on an Android. Also on an Android, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to Lenovo. Over here you can click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories above. This way you will choose all of your files that you wish to transfer. You can also just click on the chosen ones. When you're ready, click on Send next to Selected. Then click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on this scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access by choosing while using the app or only this time. Lastly, point your device's camera at the code and wait. If you want to input this key though, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers correctly, and hit Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!